CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and EGF, such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and EFG. So what are the two triangles they have given us? ABC and EFG. So we'll write ABC and EFG. Now we'll start again from beginning. D and H lie on sides AB and FE. D lies on side AB and H lies on side FE. So this is D, this is H. They lie on sides this. Such that, okay, CD. So CD and HG. CD and HG are bisectors of angle ACB. So this is a bisector of this angle, which means what? This angle is equal to this angle and this angle is equal to this angle. That is all bisector means, right? Now they have given triangle ABC. Triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG. FEG. So this is what is given, and we have to prove, we have to show that first one, CD by GH equal to AC by FG. Second, what do we have to show? Triangle DCB similar to triangle HE. There is a printing mistake in the book, I guess. And third one, triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. So this is what they have asked us to prove. Alright, guys, now this is what has been given. Now they have told us ABC is similar to FEG, which means which are the corresponding angles A and F. So A and F are equal. Alright, and angle B and E are equal, which means this whole angle is equal to this whole angle, right? And since, okay, these two are bisectors. Alright, now they have asked us to prove that CD and GH, CD by GH equal to AC. So CD and AC. So which two triangles we have to take? We have to take ADC and HGF. So this is what we have to take, ADC and HFG. So if we have to prove these two, the ratio of these two corresponding sides are equal, we have to prove first these two triangles are similar. Now already we have A equal to F. So angle A equal to angle F. Why given? Because triangle ABC is similar to FEG, or you can also write because triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, therefore CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. Okay, you already got this. Now which other can you take? We have H over here, and okay, now we will also get this equal to this. Why? See here, we have the whole angle C equal to angle G, right? Because CPST, right? Okay, let this be our first one. What we have got, because of CPST, this whole angle is equal to this whole angle. Therefore, half of angle C is equal to half of angle G, right? This whole angle is equal to this whole angle. So half of this angle will be equal to half of that angle. So therefore, what is half of angle C? We can take, therefore angle ACD is equal to angle HGF. From above, right? The whole angle is equal to whole angle. So half of this angle will be equal to half of this angle. Why? Because this is angle bisector. Since this is angle bisector, this angle will be equal to this angle and this angle will be equal to that angle. So half of C is equal to half of G. Therefore, ACD is equal to HGF. So therefore, triangle ACD is similar to, be careful, AC, so which is, in this it will be FG, FGH, because double A similarity. So we proved these two triangles are similar. So therefore we can say CD by GH equal to AC by FG, because CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangles. So CD by GH equal to AC by FG. Proved. Now the second thing they have asked us to find is prove that triangle DCB. So DCB is similar to triangle HGE. So it will be HGE and G. So these two we have to prove are similar. Now we already have angle B equal to angle E, one thing we have, and now we can prove that D, right? This angle is equal to this angle. Why? Again, this is half of this and this is half of this. Since these two are equal, half of them are also equal, similar to what we did before. So first we'll write angle B equal to angle E. Why? Given CPST. They have given initially, right, that triangle ABC is similar to FEG. Then we can start like that. Angle C equal to angle G. Why? CPST. This we can write it as 1, right? Therefore, half of angle C equal to half of angle G. Which means what is this half of angle C, right? So that is angle BCD equal to angle, half of angle G is this EGH, right? We got this. So this is our second thing. So from 1 and 2 we get triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE. What is the reason? Double A similarity, right? So we got these two triangles are similar. If you want to check D, angle D corresponds to angle H, correct, angle D, so they both are in the starting. Then angle C corresponds to angle G, they are in the middle, so it is in order. So these two triangles are similar. Now for the third thing, we have already proved it in the beginning, right? When we proved the first thing, we proved that triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. So it has already been proved in the beginning. They have given this figure and they have told AB is equal to AC. So AB is equal to AC. The moment that it's an isosceles triangle. So they have said this side is equal to this side. What does it mean? This angle is equal to this angle. Immediately mark it. AD is parallel to BC. AD is parallel to BC means what? This is 90 degree, and EF is parallel to AC, which means this is 90 degree. They have asked us to prove triangle ABD. So I'll split the triangles. It's very helpful to split the triangles ABD and ECF. So it will be like this, ECF. We have to prove these two are similar. Now if this is 90, this is also 90 degree, right? Because it is perpendicular. So this is 90 degree and they have given this is 90 degree. We already got one pair of corresponding angles as equal. Now see here, from AB is equal to AC, therefore angle B will be equal to angle C. So angle B is equal to angle C. So we got another pair of corresponding angles equal. So by double A similarity, these two triangles are similar. So how will you write? Angle D equal to 90 degree equal to angle F. Why? Given. And you'll write angle B equal to angle C, because AB equal to AC. Because this side is equal to this side, this angle will be equal to this angle. Over. You got two things. Therefore, triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. What is the reason? Double A similarity. This is the reason. They have given us these two triangles. They have told AD and PM are medians. What does that mean? this BD will be equal to DC. It splits the other side into two equal parts, and this will be equal to this. That is all it means. And they have given us AD, BC and AB, BC and AD are equal to the corresponding parts PQ, QR and PM. So what does it mean? AB by PQ equal to AD by PM equal to BC by QR. So now they have asked us to prove triangle ABC congruent to PQR. We do not have anything now, right? So first we'll check this. Now AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR. They have given us BC by QR, right? Which means it will also be equal to half of BC by half of QR, right? Half of two things, like for example, how is it? If I tell you 4 by 8 will also be equal to 2 by 4, right? The ratio remains the same. So we get is equal to half of BC by QR. What is half of BC and QR? BD and QM. So we get equal to BD and QM. Or I'll write it separately. Therefore we get AB by PQ equal to BD by QM. Also we have AD by, which is equal to AD by PM. So we have this by this equal to this by this equal to this by this. So we get therefore triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. What is the reason? Triple S similarity. Sorry. So we got this by this equal to this by this equal to this by this. So therefore what can we say? This angle is equal to this angle. So therefore angle B equal to angle Q. What is the reason? CPST. Right? This is the reason. Now we'll go to prove this. How do we prove? We have AB by PQ equal to BC by QR, right? We have this by this by this equal to this by this because given. And we have angle B equal to angle Q. So the angle between them, this by this is equal to this by this, and the angle between them is equal. So by SAS. So therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. What is the reason? SAS. Similarity. Now the 13th question, guys, they have said D is a point on side BC of triangle ABC. So triangle ABC and D is a point on side BC such that ADC, so angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. So they have said this angle is equal to this angle, and they have asked us to show that CA square equal to CB into CD. So this is what has been asked. Alright guys, so this is what you have to prove. Now if you remember in BPT chapter, like when we are doing BPT, I had shown you a similar problem. So you can write CA as CA into CA equal to CB into CD, right? So what actually we have to prove? I'll transpose this and this. So CA by CB equal to CD by CA. So we have to prove something like this. Either we have to prove CA by CB equal to CD by CA, or CA by CD equal to CB by CA. We'll check which is possible. Now when I do this, CA and CD, so which triangle are we taking? ADC. So we are taking triangle ADC. Remember this is not 90 degrees, I just mark the angle, and ABC. So ABC. So we have to prove these two triangles are similar. So how do we do it? Now already they have given us ADC equal to BAC. Also if you see, angle C is common in both. Angle C is common in this and this triangle. So by double A similarity, we get triangle ADC similar to, be careful, A is this, the corresponding point is this, A, then I wrote D, corresponding point is this, BA into C. So when we get this, what do we get? AD by BA equal to DC or CD. We can write it as DC or CD by CA equal to AC or CA by CB. This and this, this and this. That is what we get. These are the corresponding sides. Now if we take these two, we get therefore CD by CA equal to CA by CB. So transposing, we'll get CA square equal to CD into CB. This into this equal to CA into CA, CA square. Alright guys, now the 15th problem. What they have given is a vertical pole of length 6 meter. So a vertical pole of length 6 meter casts a shadow 4 meter long on the ground. So the shadow is 4 meter long, right? At the same time, a tower casts a shadow 28 kilometer long. So the tower is casting a shadow 28 meter long. And we have to find height of the tower. Alright. So guys, now they have said a pole is casting 4 meter long shadow and some tower of some certain height h is casting 28 meter long shadow. Now this will be 90 degree. Why? A pole and a tower are upright, right? It's a straight line. So perpendicularly standing, so 90 degree. Now at the same time, what happens? The angle of elevation of the sun will be same, which means this angle will be equal to this angle, right? Why? Because the angle of elevation of the sun is the same, right? For at the same time for any standing structure. So we get this equal to this. Now by double A similarity, okay, let us name this triangle is similar to this triangle. So let us say this is ABC, LMN. So what do we get? Angle B equal to angle M equal to 90 degree. That is given. And angle C equal to angle N. Elevation of sun at the same time is always equal. The angle of elevation of the sun at the same time for any standing structure will be equal, right? So therefore triangle ABC similar to triangle LMN, which means what? AB by BC is equal to LM by MN. This by this will be equal to this by this, ratio of corresponding parts. So therefore 6 by 4 will be equal to H by 28. So transposing, I'll get H equal to 28 into 6 by 4. So 4 ones are 7s are. So H is equal to 7 6 are 42 meter. Alright guys, the 16th and the last question in this exercise. It's been a long exercise. Now we have the last question. What have they given? Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. That is what they have given. And they have said AD and PM are medians. Which means what? This side equal to this side and this side equal to this side. We have to prove AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. So which two triangles we have to take? AB and PQ and AD and PM. So we have to take triangle ABD and triangle PQM. Now how do we prove these two are similar? If you have to prove this, these two triangles have to be similar, right? Now what has been given? These two are similar. So these two triangles are similar. So this angle will be equal to this angle. And what else can we say? This angle is not needed because it's outside. This whole angle is equal to, okay, not needed. So what we'll do is, what do we already have? AB by PQ equal to BC by QM, right? This by this will be equal to this by this, because these two triangles are similar, because given. Now AB by PQ will be, if it's equal to this by this, it will be equal to half of BC by half of QM, right? Therefore, AB by PQ equal to half of BC is this, that is BD, by half of QR it is, I am sorry, this will be QR and it will be QM. So we got this. So we got this by this equal to this by this. And what do we have? Angle B equal to angle Q. Because given, right? These two triangles are similar. So we have angle B equal to angle Q. Now from this 1 and 2, from this and this, what do we get? Triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. Which similarity? SAS similarity. This by this equal to this by this, and the angle between them are, if this angle is equal to this angle, this by this equal to this by this. What we got. Now from this, what can we tell? AB by PQ equal to AD by PM. CPST. So this ratio of corresponding sides are equal.